Now the airbag, okay. First, it said check charging system. That went off. The ABS light came on. When that went off, the radio went off. Then the airbag light keeps coming on. So, fun. Oh, and the brakes suck. The gas gauge don't work. None of the dash is working. Well, everything came back on. The headlights went off too, apparently. But everything turned back on. The lights are off. Well, the different check lights. Gonna break down on the road. On the road. Gonna break down on the road. The lights just got like super bright compared to what, like, the lights were dim. They like kicked on real bright. Like down the heater like got louder. This is fun. Like with a new game. What is going on with Blake's truck? I sold the Ultima. So driving my brother's truck. Let's see how it goes this time. Check charging system. There's a battery. This is fun. It takes to come on. The gauges aren't working. I don't know how fast I'm going. Well, I guess I'll make it to school. The truck is cutting out. I think the truck just died. Well, there was a sign that said no engine braking, but you can't help it when your engine brakes. I mean, what are you supposed to do? So I'm on the side of the road. Battery's like corroded. Didn't have tools to do it, so Dad came with pliers and, you know, did that. So taking it home, leaving this truck there, and taking my mom to work, and then going to school. Yeah. Took my mom to work, and I'm headed to school.